With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is a ball is dropped onto a step at point P and rebound with the velocity u0 at an angle of 45 degree with the vertical and the value of u0 initial velocity. u0 is initial velocity here, knowing that just before the ball hits the point Q and its velocity forms a angle 30 degree here with the vertical is. So we have to find the velocity which forms 30 degree angle with the vertical here, and the g is given to acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square, and we have A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find which option is correct here. And we have the height is 0.1 meter. This is point P, this is Q, and here is angle 30, 40, and this is the velocity from this to this direction. So the solution of this question is at point P, at point Q here. So we can write here at point Q we have the vertical, we have V horizontal is equals to velocity horizontally is equals to u0, that is initial velocity, and this is sine 45 degree here, and we have V vertical is equals to velocity vertically is equals to under root of u0 cos 45 degree whole square, and this is in addition with 2gh, and from this we can write here, if we divide 1 by 2, so we have the ratio is given to us angle 30, so we get tan 30 is equals to V horizontal, and this is divided by V vertical here. So from this we can write here, this is equals to, we know that sine 45 is under root 2 by 1 by under root 2, so we can write this is under root 1 by 2 u0, and we have this value is u0 cos 45 degree, so we know that u0 square u, this is u0 square, and cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and squaring we get 1 by 2 and 2, and g is given to us 10 and h is given to us 0.1 here. We have h is 0.1 and g is 10. It is given to us in the question. So from this we know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and this is equals to u0 divided by under root 2, and this is in multiplication with u0 square divided by 2 plus this will left with this will cancel out, so we left with only 2 here. So this is 2, and by squaring whole side we get 1 by root 3 is u0. This is initial velocity divided by 2, and square and root will be cancel out here. So we left with u0 divided by 2, and this is in square plus 2 here, and by taking LCM we get this is equals to u0, and 2 and 2 cancel out, so we left with u0 square plus 4 here, as we have taken 2 as LCM. So from this we can write here, this is equals to, by solving this we get initial velocity, that is u0 is under root 2 meter per second here. So this is our answer here. Now we check which option is correct here. So our option C is correct here, under root 2 meter per second. Thank you.
for class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.